The iPhone 17 series is on its way, and this time, Apple is making some major changes. From a new design to upgraded cameras, better performance, and AI-powered features, this is not just another small update. Whether you're excited about the new camera layout, the powerful A19 Pro chip, or the thinner iPhone 17 Air, there's a lot to talk about. Let's break down all the latest leaks and rumors about the upcoming iPhone 17 lineup. For years, Apple has used the same square camera module on its iPhones. But that's about to change with the iPhone 17. According to leaks, Apple is switching to a larger rectangular camera bump made of aluminum instead of 3D glass. This change will not only give the iPhone a fresh new look, but also make it more durable. However, the bottom half of the phone will still be glass, ensuring that wireless charging remains seamless. A reliable leaker, DCS has also shared some interesting details. According to him, Apple might introduce a horizontal pill-shaped camera module, similar to the Pixel 9 Pro. If true, this would be one of the biggest design shifts in iPhone history. This new layout could change how the iPhone looks and feels, making it stand out from previous models. Apple is also expected to switch from a titanium frame to an all-aluminum body, similar to the iPhone 7. This change will likely make the phone lighter, while still keeping it strong and durable. The move to aluminum could also help reduce costs, making the iPhone 17 series slightly more affordable than its predecessor. Apple is making big improvements to the iPhone 17's cameras. The standard models are expected to feature a 24MP front-facing selfie camera, which is a huge upgrade from the current 12MP sensor. This means sharper selfies, better video calls, and improved low-light performance. For the Pro models, Apple is bringing a 48MP rear telephoto camera. This will increase zoom quality, but the maximum zoom will remain at 5x, instead of 10x like Samsung's flagship phones. While some users may find this disappointing, Apple's computational photography will likely make up for it, ensuring sharp and clear zoomed-in images. Since its debut in the iPhone 14 Pro, Dynamic Island has become a key part of Apple's design. But now, rumors suggest that Apple is working on a smaller version of Dynamic Island, which will reduce the size of the front camera cutout. This means more screen space, a cleaner look, and an improved user experience. If true, this could be one of the most noticeable design refinements on the iPhone 17 series. The iPhone 17 series will be powered by the A19 Pro chip, making it one of the fastest iPhones ever. Apple is focusing on high-performance gaming, and this chip is expected to bring smooth gameplay, even for AAA titles. Whether you love mobile gaming, video editing, or multitasking, the A19 Pro will handle everything effortlessly. The iPhone 17 lineup will run on iOS 19, which is expected to introduce more AI-powered features. Apple is likely to improve Siri, enhance photo editing tools, and optimize battery performance using advanced AI algorithms. There are also rumors about an anti-reflective front panel, making the screen easier to see in bright sunlight. If true, this could be a game-changer for outdoor visibility. Apple is also introducing the iPhone 17 Air, which will be the thinnest iPhone ever made. This model will feature a 6.6-inch display with Dynamic Island, an aluminum frame, and a single 48MP rear camera. Under the hood, it will have the A19 Bionic chip and 8 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance. It will also run iOS 19 out of the box and is already entering mass production. If leaks are accurate, this could be Apple's sleekest and lightest iPhone to date, perfect for users who prefer a slim and lightweight device. Apple is also bringing a new iPhone SE 4, designed for users who want great performance at a lower price. This model will feature a 6.26-inch display with a notch, similar to older iPhone designs. It will come with a single 48MP rear camera, which is a big upgrade compared to previous SE models. This means users can expect sharper photos and better low-light performance. The iPhone SE 4 will be powered by the A8 Bionic chip, which is known for being efficient yet powerful. Despite being an older chip, it can still handle AAA games, making it a great option for casual gamers. Apple is also using a 3,279 mAh battery, similar to the iPhone 14, promising good battery life. This means users can expect all-day performance without worrying about frequent charging. That wraps up all the major leaks and rumors about the iPhone 17 series. With new designs, better cameras, AI-powered software, and improved battery life, Apple is making some big changes this year. If these leaks turn out to be true, the iPhone 17 lineup could be one of the most exciting releases in recent years. What do you think about these updates? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech news. Stay tuned for the latest updates on Apple's next big release. Rocket.